How to manage a business savings account with Discover Bank on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you running a business? Well, here is how to manage a Discover Business Savings account on desktop. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open any web browser, and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now, here from the search result, just click on the first link, and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials, and once logged in from the dashboard you simply have to select your business savings account to view balance and account details. And there you can just click transactions to monitor deposits, withdrawals and transfers in real time. And you can also use the statement tabs to download monthly business account statements for your records. And you can also set up account alerts to track low balances or large transactions instantly, and you can also schedule transfers between your balance, business, and linked accounts directly from the dashboard. And that's it. That's how you can manage a business savings account with Discover Bank on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.